last class we have learned the adverbs and the kinds of adverbs. Now we are going to learn the comparative of adverbs. What is the comparison of adverbs? A comparison like how we have had in the comparison of adjectives, in the adverbs also there is a comparison. Comparison means like a positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. So we are comparing two or more than people, or two or more than things, two or more than actions. Here that adjectives, anyway adjectives describes the nouns, no? So we people and like that we compared. But now here we are comparing the adverbs. Adverbs means actions or the qualities. Sometimes adverbs explain the adjectives also, no? The same way. Sometimes another adverbs of the same sentence. So we are comparison. We are we are comparing the between different kinds of adverbs or the adjectives or the verbs. Okay. Now we are going to know about that comparison. Like adjectives, some adverbs can express in the three of comparison. See the spelling here, it is comparison, not S-I-O-N, right? It is S-O-N. It is comparison, not comparison. Okay, not comparison, it's comparison. Positive, comparative and superlative degree. PD, CD and SD. You know very well, we had same way in the adjectives. Below are examples of positive, comparative and superlative forms of some adverbs. So these are the some adverbs. Okay, for soon what will come? These are the basic forms. And when we are comparing two people, when two are there, we compare these two. Suppose superlative, more than two. Okay, more than two. Superlative is more than two. Okay, then we say that more than two. Okay, that is superlative degree. It's that greater than symbol. So here, when only one person's action or one thing only there, we say that soon. She will come soon. Sooner and soonest. Soonest they will reach here. Okay, near, nearer, nearest. It is the near. Sometimes we use what we say prepositions, but sometimes we use here adverb also. Sweetly, like ly verbs, here we use more ly words. Okay, sweetly, but here ly ended with early ended with ly, but we did not use here more, most, because it is not manner, it is time. Okay, slow, slower, slowest, late, later, latest, quick, quicker, quickest, fast, faster, fastest, bright, brighter, brightest. Fast is we can use an adjective as well as adverb. Quick, quickly, adverb. Quick, quicker, quickest. Quickly, if we say that quickly, more quickly, most quickly. Quick, quicker, quickest. Yeah, late, later, latest. So we say that what is the latest design? We ask that if we go to shop. Latest means recently. Here we can latest we can see in the two ways. Latest means recent. Recent came designs, we can say that. Slow, slower, slowest. So take care of these comparisons. Yeah, these are the adverbs, basic forms. When two people are, when two actions or two things happen, two comparisons going on between, then we use the comparative degree more than two. If we use the superlative degree, more than two actions, more than two qualities, more than two adverbs we use, then we use So we are going to learn deeply here. The positive form of comparative adverbs describes an action without comparing it to anything. We are not comparing without comparing to anything. Just we are saying one person's here. One's person. Kavita came late. Came how? Came when? Late. Jamuna will arrive soon. Arrive when? Soon. Rahul died early. When? Early. See, just now I said that early is not manner, it shows time. So that's why we use not more early, most early, earlier, earliest. Right? Now we go to the comparative. The comparative form of compares the action of two people, places, or things. Here we can say that pupils' actions. I said that here you can ask me, madam, these are not the people. It's actions of people, not the people. Actions of people, places, and things. Okay? Now, here, example. Kavita came later. Kavita came late, we used earlier slide. Now, later. Then whom? Anvita. Okay? We compare between Kavita and Anvita. Here, Jamuna will arrive sooner than Joshi. Jamuna and Joshi. We are comparing these two persons' action only, not the person's quality. No, actions only. Rahul died earlier than Ram. We are when we are comparing two persons' death, Rahul and Ram, we are comparing this. That's why use than, earlier, sooner, later. Like how we learned the earlier, when two things are comparison, later, sooner, earlier, we added er at the end. We added er at the end, and we used, what we used here? Than. Here, than we used, right? Right? We use than. After the comparison, we added er. We added er at the end of the verb action, and we use than in the sentence. So then that is comparative. Comparative only between two people's action, right? We go for next. Then superlative. The superlative form of comparative adverbs compares the action of three or more people, places, or things. Just you can remember that. When we are comparing the actions only, remember that. Qualities, sometimes we compare the qualities, but based on the action. Okay? Then of the three, Anu came latest. When we are comparing three, Anu came latest. Of the three, Mohan will arrive soonest. Of the three, Rahul died earliest. Okay? See, the earliest, soonest, and latest. But I did not use the here. You can, one clue is here, but when superlative degree of the adjectives, we use the best one. She is the longest, she has the longest frock. Okay, she is the tallest girl in the we use the, but here no the. We are not using the here, as these are not the nouns, these are the verbs. We are explaining here the verbs. What we are explaining here? The verbs. We are comparing the verbs, not the nouns. Okay, not the persons. We are actions. We are comparing the actions here. Compares the action, right? So these are the adverbs. Understood now? We are not using the here, but in the comparison we use than. But here we are not using the, because when we use the before a noun or an adjective, not the adverb. not before the adverb. Adverb tells more about the action, right? Now example, choose the correct comparative adverb form for each sentence. Of the two boys, Joy laughed. Of the two, only two. So harder or hardest? Which one? You see, of your many jokes, that one is the funnier or funniest? Many, here many. Of all the choir members, all, not one or two, all the choir members, Rahman sang loudest or louder? Of the two delegates. Delegates means representative of one company. In the behalf of, they will come here, okay, to present something as like ambassador. Okay, Ram served is longer or longest? Longer. No, you come to know the next slide the answer here. Of the two boys, Joy laughed harder. Only two. Understood? Here two are there, so harder will come. Of your many, so funniest. Of the all the choir members, Rahman sang loudest. We have used the superlative form since we are comparing more than two voices. Of the two delegates, Ram served longer. We use the comparative form since there are two delegates. Here two. Understood? Yeah. Now forming of comparison of adverbs. So how the comparison of adverbs will form? We form comparison of adverbs the same way we form comparison of adjectives. How we formed the adjectives, comparison of adjectives, here also will form the same way. How we create the comparative and superlative forms of an adverb depends on how the adverb appears in its positive form. Here remember that, how the adverb appears in its positive form. There are two main categories to remember. Just to remember, I am going to give a clue. Sometimes it may not applicable. I am not saying that this is the rule applicable in all the ways. Just a clue to remember. Okay? Now, it's not a must rule. It's just a clue. One syllable adverbs. One syllable. What is one syllable? We say only at a time. Late. Suppose papaya. You say papaya. How many sounds? 3 sounds. Papaya. Tomato. Yes? See, here, if the word is in one syllable, we create comparative form of most one syllable adverbs. Here this, not all we say that. We did not say all. Of most one syllable we say that. Most means some exceptions are there. Most syllable adverbs by adding er to the end of the verb. That superlative form is created by adding est. Comparative form we will say that. See one example. Late. Late is one syllable word, that is adverb. These are all adverbs only. For this one syllable adverb, in the comparative form we added er. Already e is there, just we add r and est. Okay, and est here. Soon. Yeah, basic form we added er and est. Er in the comparative, est in the superlative. Tall, taller, er in the comparative, est in the superlative. Not all. Remember that only one syllable adverbs. See here, you can see tall, long, bad, deep, close, high, soon. See, these are the one syllable adverbs. Right? Okay. Now, 2 syllable adverbs. Most adverbs with two or more syllables did not have comparative or superlative forms. Instead, we put the word more or less in front of the adverb to form comparative and the word most and least to form superlative. Here we go with the examples. Often. It is two syllable. Often. 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 Carefully. Three syllable. Happily. Three syllable. Solemnly. Three syllable. Gracefully. Four syllable. Grace. Grace. One word. Fully. Three words. Elegantly. Three syllable. Arrogantly. Three syllable. Yeah, more than two or more than two syllable, we keep more or less before the word in comparative. In superlative, we keep most or least. If we use more in the comparative, in the superlative we use most. If we use less, we use least. Okay, often, more often, most often, less often, least often. Okay, carefully, more carefully, most carefully, less carefully, least carefully. Also we use. Generally, we don't use that less and least in general way. Suppose if you want to compare, we can use now here. I think you know the difference here. Gracefully, three syllable, more gracefully, less gracefully, most gracefully, least gracefully. This is comparative, this is superlative. When we are in the comparative, we use more or less. When we are in the superlative degree, we use most or least. But basic form is positive form. Since most adverbs are formed by adding the suffix ly to an adjective, the rule above applies the most comparative adverbs. See here, careful. What is this here? This meaning, careful is an adverb. Sorry, adjective. I say that. Careful. We added ly to form adverb. Happy is an adjective. We added ly. So it became as adverb. Solvent is an adverb. Noun. Solvent is a noun. We added ly. It became as adverb. Graceful. Graceful. Adjective. Ly. We added ly. So it is adverb. Elegant. Elegant is adjective. We added ly. So it became as adverb. Understood? This meaning is that we added ly to the adjective, so it became as adverb. Irregular comparison of adverbs, like how we have irregular forms. The adjectives and adverbs also, there are irregular verbs, irregular comparison. So those kind of adverbs, we don't have any rule, just we remember that. Little, less, least, even adjective also same. But here good is adjective, good, better, best is adjective, well is an adverb, well, better, best. Sometimes we use good. Nowadays we are using good as an adverb also. Badly, worse, worst. Far, farther, farthest. Much, more, most. Some, more, most. Okay, many, more, most also. But many is an adjective, we can't use here. Okay. Some adverbs have irregular comparative and superlative forms. We must learn these if we haven't already. Okay, we did not learn. If we did not learn, we can learn now here. Positive. No, I forgot. I came the last slide here. Actually, these are they had given for, well, sadly, quietly, much, truthfully, little, lovingly, honestly, badly, kindly. So we have to write the answer. Far, farther, farthest, well, better, best, sadly, most sadly, quietly, more quietly, most quietly, much, more, most, truthfully, more truthfully, most truthfully, Here you can observe when the adverb of manner ended with ly, so more or most will come. More will come in the comparative, most will come in the superlative. Understood? Lovingly, more lovingly, most lovingly. Ly ended with. See, kindly. But here badly. So irregular form here. Badly is verse first. Okay, bad is an adjective, badly is an adverb. Understood? You remember that and learn. Thank you, children. Bye. Do page number in the grammar book, page number 98 and 99. Only 2 are there. Exercise only 1 is there. Complete that.